Hi, I'm Rick Donaldson, CEO of M3 Agency, where we primarily serve clients in the Southeast, but we can be found as far west as Washington State, as far east as Boston, and we have quite a client base in the Texas region as well. But I wanted to talk a little bit today about businesses and their need for a website, because we see it all. We currently host and have built about 500 sites in a variety of towns that we've talked about. And it's interesting when we go on that first client call and we say, why do you want a new website? Or what about your website isn't working? And believe it or not, most clients can't answer that. They just say, I feel like it needs a refresh, or I feel like it needs an update. And what we're trying to find out is, do you want to update it so it gives you more leads? Do you want to get it updated so it gives you a better image? And those are the kind of things I want to kind of urge business owners to think about. When you go into a website build, you should have some really clear goals. Most businesses, service businesses, it's all about conversions, but then there's some images, financial, banking, it's all image. It's all, gotta look good, gotta feel good. So we spend a lot of time trying to pull this type of information out of clients. And if you kind of have an idea up front about, I want my website to look like this, I want it to navigate like this, and I want it to do the following, you're going to have a much quicker rebuild experience or startup experience, and you're going to help your web development company or a company like M3 Agency really nail your goals. And that's what it's all about, is at the end of the day, not only do we feel like we built you a fantastic site that's going to serve your business well, but you as the owner of the business love your new website.